Hey folks, let's go over those warnings and advisories in effect. First of all, once again, in case you're just joining us, the western part of the valley, Starr County under a winter storm warning, midnight to 9 a.m. with the potential for some snow there. Winter weather advisory, which is the lesser of the two advisories, midnight to 9 a.m. for the eastern 2/3 of the valley. Now what this means is as much as, keep in mind that's as much as, or greater, less than or equal to 2 inches of snow could fall in this area starting as early as midnight and then spreading eastward. It's going to feel like it's 25 to 30 degrees because actual temperatures will be in the 30s and the wind will be pretty gusty. The rest of the valley, that winter weather advisory, as much as 1 inch of snow, up to 1 inch. Probably less than that in most, if not all locations, but there could be a dusting enough that you see some on the ground and on some of those cold surfaces. Wind chill will be 25 to 30, but valley-wide, your temperatures will be above freezing here at the ground. You go up a couple thousand feet, the atmosphere is below, but here at the ground, temperatures will stay above freezing. So again, winter weather advisory for most of the valley, winter storm warning, which is more significant for Starr County. Here's some timing for you. You're looking at midnight to 4 a.m. far west and north from basically Rome on northwestward through Falcon Lake. You're looking at perhaps 4 to 8 a.m. east of that, and then about 5 to 9 a.m. for the southeastern part of the valley. So this mostly happens late night, early morning. Most of the evening will be quiet. This is when the coldest temperatures in the atmosphere are forecast to move across the valley. That's when we're most likely to see it. There's rain out there now, and some of this is pretty heavy stuff. It's light to moderate rain, maybe brief heavy downpours in parts of Starr County right now, but again, you get above the ground, the atmosphere is still too warm. Temperatures, 5,000 feet up, are still running in the upper 30s and low 40s. And with that, you're not going to get anything to make it to the ground. A little wider picture. Earlier today, there was some pretty good snow up to the north of us. Cotulla saw a good batch of snow. Laredo has seen some. We showed you a picture from Laredo in the 4 o'clock newscast. But let's watch Future Track. Here's what it says. Most of the evening is just light rain and drizzle. By 10 o'clock, north and west, things may start to convert. You might see a few snowflakes west. And then overnight, by 5 in the morning, we're all fair game for some snow mixed in with that light rain, that moderate rain, and that drizzle. By the time you get to 10 a.m., anything left will be the lower valley, and by 3 in the afternoon, it's all moving out, and the sun tries to make an appearance by the second half of the day tomorrow. Still cold tomorrow night and Saturday morning, back in the 30s again, but then Saturday during the daytime, bright sunshine, warms temperatures in the upper 60s. How much rain are we talking about, or rain equivalent, if you will, through tomorrow afternoon? Anywhere from a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain total across the valley, and if it falls as rain, that's what you'd measure in the rain gauge. If it falls as snowflakes, then that's to melt, and we'll see what it does. 50% in the morning, then we're dry after that. It's cold right now. Temperatures are still falling. 41 in West Laco, same thing in Rio Grande City. Everybody else a little warmer than that. Our lows tonight will be in the 30s, pretty much valley-wide. The exception will be the island at 43, but a cold night across the area. And tomorrow, it's going to take a while. We're going to try to get back up around 50 tomorrow afternoon. We got those clouds around through midday with that moisture in the morning, so it's going to take a while to start things warming up across the area tomorrow. So for tonight, a few snowflakes falling, but mostly light rain and drizzle. Farther west, you are the better chances of seeing some actual snowflakes accumulating somewhere. Windy and cold, drizzle and snow in spots. Then tomorrow, morning drizzle with a few snowflakes mixed in. Then a brighter afternoon. Your high temperature tomorrow afternoon up around 49 degrees. Back to 66 with sunshine by the weekend, but that low Saturday morning, parts of the valley, those traditional cold spots, north and west, probably touching freezing Saturday morning. After that, the warm-up begins, but not a big one, only about 70. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back right after this.